If you've been searching for the ultimate tools to optimize your Amazon business, this is your moment. Helium 10's Black Friday deal offers an incredible 40% off for 12 months, making it the perfect time to invest in your success. But this offer does expire December 1st, so you want to make sure you take action as soon as possible. Whether you're an experienced Amazon seller or just starting out, this deal gives you access to premium tools designed to take your business to the next level. Let's dive into everything Helium 10 has to offer and how to grab this limited time discount. What is Helium 10? Helium 10 is an all-in-one software suite built for Amazon sellers. With its powerful tools, you can manage an entire e-commerce business from product research and keyword optimization to inventory management and analytics. Trusted by thousands of sellers worldwide, Helium 10 simplifies the complexities of selling on Amazon, giving you the insights and tools you need to make data-driven decisions and grow your business efficiently. Helium 10 has everything you need to run a successful Amazon business. Here's a breakdown of the most useful tools. Find winning products. Use tools like Blackbox and Trendster to discover profitable products that people are searching for and buying. Get found with the right keywords. Tools like Cerebro and Magnet help you to find the best keywords to make your product show up higher in Amazon searches. Optimize your listings. With tools like Scribbles and Index Tracker, you can create strong product descriptions that rank well and make sure your listings are easy for customers to find. Spy on competitors. Market Tracker lets you see what your competitors are doing, how well they're selling, and what's trending in your market. Run better ads. Simplify your advertising with Adtomic, a tool that helps you create and improve your Amazon ad campaigns to get better results. Manage your inventory. Stay on top of your stock levels with tools like Inventory Protector and Profits, so you never run out of products or overspend. Track sales and earnings. Get a clear view of your sales, profits, and expenses with tools like Profits, so you always know how your business is performing. Protect your business. Tools like Refund Genie and Alerts help you to get your money back for missed refunds and keep you updated about changes to your product listings. Sell internationally. Helium 10 works for sellers in different countries, making it easy to expand your business to new markets. To get the best price possible, use our exclusive link in the description to get 40% off for the first 12 months. Again, this promotion will not last long and it only is going to last until Sunday, December 1st. Again, you want to click that link in the description and all you'll have to do to create an account is go ahead and type in your name, email, a password, and enter in your credit card information. Once you click that link in the description, the coupon code will automatically be applied. So let's go ahead and take a look at the other pricings and plans. So here you can see they have a starter plan and this starts at $39 per month. And this is the training and tools you need to get started. So the different tools within product research, as you can see, the starter plan has more limited options as well as keyword search, advertising. There's nothing for advertising, nothing for insights and dashboards, a very limited market tracker up to one market, profits for Walmart limited. Again, so with the starter pack, you are limited to the features, but they do have the tools for you to get started. Next up is the Platinum, and this is $65 a month right now with their Black Friday promotion. To get 40% off of the Platinum plan, you want to make sure you're using our exclusive link in the description. And as you can see with the Platinum plan, you do have access to Blackbox, X-Ray, Review Insights. You do have limited access to X-Ray for Walmart. And with the product Launchpad, you have up to 2,000 ideas. Moving on to keyword search, you have access to everything. No advertising tools, but you do have 20 products available in the Insights dashboard and limited analytics. Moving on to the Diamond plan. With Black Friday, you can get this plan for $182 per month, billed monthly. And this is perfect for expert sellers looking to scale. As you can see, they get everything in product research, everything in keyword research, everything in advertising, and ad spend limits starting at $5K a month free. You also get access to everything in the Insights dashboards, everything in analytics, as well as listing optimization, as well as operations, add-ons, and so many more additional perks. To get the best price possible, you're definitely going to want to go with the Platinum plan, where you can get 40% off for a whole year. But again, this will expire, so you don't want to wait. These are affiliate links, which mean we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do decide to use them, we just want to thank you in advance. I hope this video was helpful and has helped you understand what Helium 10 is and how to get the best price possible and how to get access on the Black Friday deal. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.